2 Old Mill Lane is an attractive detached 2-storey property with bright and spacious rooms. The property has a large living room with direct access to the conservatory, a modern fitted kitchen, utility room and dining room. There are 4 bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite, as well as an additional bathroom and ground floor WC. The property enjoys an extensive and well-maintained enclosed rear garden, as well as a front garden with driveway and garage. This property is located in the small and pretty village of Gifford in East Lothian. Gifford lies at the foot of the Lammermuir Hills and is surrounded by countryside and woodland areas, offering ample opportunities for pleasant walks to enjoy the delightful scenery. There are amenities for everyday needs, and the larger town of Haddington is approximately 4 miles away, providing a wider array of services. For details of price and viewing, please refer to our website at andersonstrathernproperty.co.uk or telephone 0131 270 7777.